taking a peek at the key fob inside of the Kia Niro. It's a similar style fob you're going to find in a few other Kia vehicles. So along the front side of the fob there, you've got the Kia logo with remote start. This side is the lock button, unlock button, trunk release, horn or panic alarm, with the release for the emergency access key along the very bottom. Using the fob is simple. So to remote start, push the lock button and then push and hold that circle button on the back. There, push and hold. You can see there, we are now remote started inside of the ride. In order to cancel the remote start, just push and hold that circle button again, and remote start is now canceled. Now you could use the button there in order to be able to open up the liftgate if you want to. There's also the smart trunk feature. So as long as you've got the key fob on you, vehicle's locked, you can walk away, walk up towards the back end, and it'll pop open. It's pretty neat. And there's one neat key fob trick that you can do inside of the ride, and that's rolling the windows down. In order to do it, you're just going to push and hold the unlock button on the fob. So it's just push and hang on, and watch this. Window down, you can release in order to pause, push and hold again. That's going to continue the process. So it's strictly the driver's side window, but if you need to air things out because grandma's had some prune juice, that's available. Then in order to set all of these features up, and while that's loading, if you want walkthroughs, like you want to know how to use the steering wheel buttons, go through the cluster or the infotainment, you'll find walkthroughs down in the description. But what we're going to do, go to your setup, from there just to vehicle, and then you've got so many options, but we're looking for door. When do you want the door to lock, unlock? Do you want a 2-press unlock on the fob? You can toggle the power liftgate off completely so that it's just a manual release. You can set the liftgate height this way. You can also do a custom setting yourself if you'd like to. So if you wanted to open up at certain levels, you've got that flexibility. And then you've also got the smart liftgate. So that's the one where you walk up to the back end and the liftgate's going to automatically open up. And then you've got that remote window control where you could push and hold the unlock button in order to be able to open up the windows. But that's everything you need to know about the key fob inside of the Kia Niro.